Welcome friends to getting our physical face shield build, our ultrasound, our warning lights, yellow and red with a safety resistor, our Arduino, and a servo to move the face shield up and down. I've got this thing plugged into my Samsung Chromebook, and on my Chromebook I've got my Tinkercad work that we've done together up on the screen. And today is the interesting task of getting our Tinkercad code out of the Tinkercad cloud onto our Chromebook, and then back up to the Arduino Create cloud, and then back down to our physical Arduino, right? And so, have you got that? We've built the code together. So let's go over and take a look at the code. I've made one slight modification. I want to do this from my desk, and so I'm going to have the yellow light go on if you're between 6 and 12 inches away, and the red light go on, together with the servo, when you're less than 6 inches. This will be an easy demo for us, right? So there's the code. We now need to get this out of the Tinkercad cloud and onto our Chromebook by pressing, yes, the download button. Okay? So I press download. It's now going to ask me where I would like to put that, so sure, I'm happy to have it in my downloads folder. So I click on downloads and then save. That didn't take long. Download complete. Beautiful. So I've now taken it out of the Tinkercad cloud and it's now sitting on my Chromebook. I now need to get it out of my Chromebook up into the Arduino Create cloud and then back down to my Arduino. So I need to open my Arduino Create app. So I go over to my launcher, I click on Launch, I choose Arduino Create, up comes the intro screen for Arduino Create in your app. Of course it wants me to sign in and make sure I'm a paying customer. I say yes, I will sign in. It's loading Arduino Create, and not much is happening here, right? I begin just with a sketch of today's date, January 21st, and I get an empty setup and an empty loop, right? But I know I've got something sitting on my Chromebook, and so it's a pretty small dashboard on the Arduino Create. Here is where I will import things up to their cloud from my Chromebook, and then here's where I will then download them to my device. There's my Arduino sitting there plugged in. Okay, so first, back to import, friends, right? So I need to get it from the Chromebook up to the Arduino Create cloud. So I click import. There's some welcoming messages. I say yes, import. And now it wants to know where is it? Well, it's in my downloads. So yep, that's it. So I select it, move down, and say open. Arduino Create is importing it and says, this is what you're trying to import. Is that really what you want? And I say, yep, let's do it. And there she blows, right? There is our beautiful Tinkercad code translated, from blocks into text. Let's make sure it's got our right stuff. The servo's on pin 9. When we're between 6 and 12 inches, we're going to flash the yellow. When we're less than 6, we're going to flash the red and open and close the servo. Let's check, does this really work? The code is now here, out of Tinkercad, up in Arduino Create, and I now wish to upload and save that to my Arduino, right? Plugged into that USB connection. There, we're in focus. So I'm going to click the upload and save. When I do that, at the bottom of my screen, I get some diagnostics saying, yep, the upload was started, reset complete, flashing complete, flash complete. So it's there. So let's go over and check out our circuit. Maybe you can hear the hum of the servo. Okay. And I'm going to now come out here with a book, and as I come into the book, I get the yellow light flashing. I come in a little bit closer, the red light flashes, and the servo changes. I back off a little bit, the yellow light, back off all the way, okay, and nothing. Right? Beautiful. That's all for now, friends.